If you're using the X or Twitter application and want to change the font size in that application, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling you about how to change the font size on X or Twitter. For this, open the X application. After that, above, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Accessibility, Display, and Languages option. Click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. When you're clicking on that, here you can see the Display option. Click on Display.
When you're clicking on that, here you can see the font size option. You can set this font size according to your need. If you want it to be bigger, you can move it here. Or if you want it to be smaller, you can move it here. Anyways, I'm setting it to this font size. After that, you can go back and that setting will be saved. So this way you can easily change the font size on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.